Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Namalon in Warframe. Namalon is a rare mineral found in Cambion Drift on Deimos, mainly used for crafting higher tier items. To farm Namalon, you will need a mining tool like a no-sun cutter or sunpoint plasma drill. Start by going to Deimos and make sure you land on Cambion Drift. After you are in the Cambion Drift, look for yellow mineral vein as they have a higher chance of dropping Namalon. Though it can still take several mines since it is rarer than the common ores. A good spot for Namalon farming is the infested cave and drift, where yellow nodes are more common and easier to locate. You can also get Namalon from storage container like Isolation Vault Bounties, which you can access by picking up Isolation Vault Mission from Mother. Using a resource booster or an asterite catalyst can increase your yield and make the grind faster, especially if you plan to mine multiple veins. And that's it. We just learned the best ways to farm Namalon in Warframe, including mining yellow veins in the Cambion Drift and completing Isolation Vault bounties for extra drops. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.